Hello, friends. Let's learn phonetic sound today. A to Z. A. A for apple. A for ant. A says A. B. B for banana. B for ball. B says bird. C. C for cap. C for cake. C says K. D. D for dog. D for duck. D says duh. E. E for egg. E for elephant. E says A. F. F for flower. F for fire. F says fur. G. G for guitar. G for gay. G says girl. H. H for hen. H for house. H says her. I. I for igloo. I for insect. I says E. J. J for jar. J for jacket. J says J. K. K for key. K for kangaroo. K says K. L. L for leaf. L for lemon. L says L. M. M for moon. M for map. M says M. N. N for nine. N for nest. N says N. O. O for orange. O for octopus. O says O. P. P for parrot. P for pineapple. P says P. Q. Q for quiet. Q for quail. Q says Q. R. R for rainbow. R for rooster. R says R. S. S for sun. S for seal. S says Sir. T. T for tree. T for turtle. T says T. U. U for umbrella. U for under. U says A. V. V for van. V for vulture. V says V. W. W for window. W for well. W says V. X. X for X-ray. X for xylophone. X says X. Y. Y for yellow. Y for yak. Y says yo. And Z. Z for zip. Z for zero. Z says Z. Thank you so much, friends. Please like, share, and comment.